When you have the traditional grocery purchasing processes, you go to the store and you pick up your own product. As soon as you buy it, you have the full control of it. Well, what's happening now is that last mile delivery process, that supply chain from the grocery store to the way that the consumers receive the product has been changing dramatically in the last few years because of the pandemic. People are buying objects through different channels. And what happens is this is not very well known. It's not very well mapped from the packaging perspective.
Employee picks your stuff, packs your order, and then delivers that or prepares it for pickup. How are they handled by the pickers in the store? How are they handled by delivery drivers? How are they handled by you, the customer, and how are those different?
We don't know exactly what type of hazards might be there. Is the product going to be exposed to very high temperatures, or will they be dropping it once they put it in the doorstep in front of your home? Right? If they're dropping it from very far away, that might be damaging the product.
Dropping, all clear.
We're working on a sponsored project from an international organization that is interested in knowing more about this. The organization is focused on transportation packaging. Students are going to the stores, interviewing the workers, interviewing the managers, learning about what type of handling the product experiences. And on the other side, we're also grabbing decoy packages, are the ones that we've been working on here, and submitting them through that last mile delivery process.
The idea is that it's, just the same as something you'd buy at a store, but ours, instead of having actual food or something in it, it's going to have a sensor inside that collects drop and vibration data.
Just make noise.
The one specific dummy package that we made is to fit a diaper box. So we've got the sensor, and then we've got something to hold the sensor in place. So we have a friction fit box that's centering it and holding it tight with just foam. And then for the diaper box, we've got a metal frame, and then it's attached to a plywood sheet, and then it's put in a corrugated box.
It's a very precision fit. It needs to be extremely snug, otherwise you risk gathering incorrect orientation data or registering drops as like vibrations as drops.
As the product is moved throughout the system, we'll be recording whether it gets dropped, whether there's some vibration that might be a hazard for the product itself, right? And then we're matching that data with the mapping of the process, so we can know now whether we want to target the process, and companies might be more careful in certain parts of the objects, or packaging engineers can grab this information and start rethinking the design process.
Dropping.